Hey, and welcome to Not Just Breathe. Today I'm going to be targeting on our legs, opening the inner thighs. So come and sit down to a Malasana. Malasana for some of us is a difficult pose. You find yourself not really being able to sitting down and so much pain in the inner thighs. And if this is your case, I encourage you to take a block under your hips. I don't have a block here right now, but I'll take a piece of wood. But anyway, taking some of the weight off from your inner thighs helps. What further down you can come, then better it is. But of course, if it's too much pain, then support yourself. Be sure that you get anyway the stretch to the inner thigh. In Manasana, we keep our hands together just to create an energy circuit. So chakras are little energy wheels in our hands, resonates energy, circles energy all the time through your body. Of course, the same energy goes to anything that I touch. So as we want to now unite our own energies, recharge, and find more power to the self, I'll have you bringing your palms together and see how my elbows are inside of my thighs and knees. I am at the same time slightly pushing out with my arms, just a little gentle push, keeping the stretch in my inner thighs. Then we have the aspect of the breath, the best tool you can use to get your body nice and ease. So slowly breathing in and out through your nose allows now the soothing effect of your breath to relax your muscles more. Coordinating the breath to a certain part of your body enables that part of your body to relax. So I'd wish us now to concentrate on the exhalation, relaxing and soothing the hips. So my inhalation is increasing my energy slightly. I'm bringing as much energy as I can up to my clavicles, and as I exhale, I'm going to relax the hips, relax the thighs, relax the whole lower part of the body. Then keep breathing. Slow inhales, slow exhales through the nose. What I like to do in my Malasana as well is to find a little movement from heels to toes. This way I'm strengthening the muscles through my ankles, chins of the legs, and balancing at the same time a little bit. We have another variation of Malasana coming, but let's do a little ease for the legs for a little while. So bringing your fingers to the floor and stretching your legs straight, coming to Uttanasana, forward fold. I keep a little bend on my knees, same time hanging my head down and allowing the arms to relax. Finding your breath through your both nostrils. Allow again the exhalation to soothe out any strain, any discomfort. And on second set of the Malasana, we are going to sit down just as we did before, but this time not keeping the back straight. As you have your back straight, you find the stretch more to the lower back as well as the inner thighs. But let's do the same now by tucking the chin in and slightly rounding the back. So as I drop my chin to the chest, I allow the little vertebrae of the neck to stretch as well. Hands start staying on front of the heart. Your breath is the soothing effect. This time taking the weight of the legs, stretching the legs straight. Maybe wiggle the legs a little bit. And then I invite you to come and lay down to a child's pose. Apanasana, allow your back to relax. Allow your ankles to stretch a little. So just to soothe out any strain from the back, take a few rolling movements from one side to another. Massaging the lower back on the floor. Slowly breathing in and out. And then last little stretch, more gentle stretch to the inner thighs. Supta Padma Konasana, opening your legs, your knees to both sides, relaxing the hips. And allowing the breath to soothe out any strain from the body. Every exhalation softening and relaxing. That is all for today. Keeping your inner thighs nice and flexible enables you much more movement in all directions. It doesn't have to be a long practice. Do it, if not every day, at least a couple of times a week, just sitting, squatting down. It's not just for the inner thighs, it's also for your digestion. So putting pressure on the lower part of your digestive systems allows the soothing, the relaxing of your digestive organs to kind of relax, and this way allow the food leftovers, old accumulated waste, to get out of your body easier. More of detox yoga you'll find under other titles here in Now Just Breathe. But as you know, keep yourself connected And remember, not just breathe when you wish to find a little ease, little squeeze. Namaste and have a great day.